Technical troubleshooting is important in our computer-driven world, but we know it's hard for IT students to get the hands-on practice you need to develop this skill. That's why our MindTap courses include virtual machine labs on live IT systems in real time. Our labs let you practice, explore, and try different solutions, basically to play around in a safe sandbox and learn by doing. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to MindTap's live virtual machine lab environment. Let's get started. Lab assignments are accessed from your course learning path. Select a lab and you'll come to a screen with these notes. The big takeaway here is that if you exit a lab before completing all its tasks, your work isn't saved. You'll have to start over the next time you launch the lab. To receive credit, you have to complete and submit your work in one session. So before starting, make sure you've set aside enough time to finish. You'll click Select Start Assignment Now to launch the lab. And this is the VM Lab interface. It has 3 sections. The left section is the content pane, where you'll find all the information you need to do the lab. In the middle is the lab toolbar, which has controls to help you manage your session. And on the right is the device pane. This is where the live desktop or console of the lab device you're working with is displayed. I think you're going to discover that live VM labs are a powerful learning tool.